Greetings. If you're watching this, it's because you're considering buying these speakers. I have not opened this box yet, which means that this review will be a little longer than probably necessary because I will unbox it in front of you and show you everything. But I will also go all the way through setup, and you'll see and hear them at the end, and you can make your own judgment. So I have no idea if this is going to be a good review or a bad review or what, because like I said, I haven't had the box open. All right. So here are the speakers in question in their lovely pink color and scads of cables as well. Looks like they are powered by USB, and then they come with the audio cable and two USB cables, which I will do my best to somehow hook up quickly. Alright, so these are interesting. One plug is micro USB, and the other is mini USB. I assume that so they can connect to each other. You can never have too many twist ties around the house either. So here's that, and that, and now we go down to power. All right, so here's the power. You see that they already have a little bit of a light on them. And lastly, let's get some noise. All right, so let's have at it. No sound. Probably because I have to turn them on. No.
Bluetooth mode has been on. Waiting for pairing.
Alright, we'll go to Bluetooth then. No wires. It's always an exciting exercise. Alright, the device shows up as 8888.
Paired.
From a sound perspective, they're not bad. They kind of sound like speakers this size, which is sort of a throwaway comment, but any speaker this size isn't going to be perfect. You can see this would look much better in the dark, I suspect. So okay, so that's certainly a unique set of speakers. The amount of water in here is very small, but it's enough to kind of keep things going. As you saw, the setup is pretty simple. It does Bluetooth or wired, though it seems to prefer Bluetooth, which is fine, so it's slightly more convenient. Comes with all the cables required. From an outward aesthetic viewpoint, I mean, this is just a simple plastic box. This is nothing terribly special. The sound is okay, but not great. I mean, it's what you expect for a speaker this size. It's not going to blow your socks off. So hopefully that's helpful. If it's not, leave me a comment. Let me know what else I should be telling you about fountain-based Bluetooth speakers. I will endeavor to do better next time. But until next time, happy shopping.